Okay, just a quick interim video on the Tracker Grizzly blind duck 2072 rebuild. I've reinforced the first two ribs just to show you what I've done there. I just put a piece of 1 inch by 1/2 inch angled aluminum that's 1/16 inch thick along the side of the rib and welded it to it just to add some strength. And I did it on both sides. Just welded the angled aluminum into the corner pocket of that hat channel. Did the same thing with this one, but just on one side. Then this piece here just had, this brace was existing with broken welds, and this piece was existing with broken welds, so I added these two pieces of flat aluminum, just 1/8 inch thick, and I welded those to that bulkhead. And then on the inside, I re-welded, these pieces of angle that were there but had broken welds. I did blow a hole in the corner there. Oops. You have to give me a pass on these welds because I'm learning to TIG weld as I go, and it's not easy at baseline. And then I have all these corroded pieces of aluminum and thick metals, welding to thin metals. It's been a challenge for me. I'm sure professionals wouldn't have any trouble, but nonetheless, I think these welds, as bad as they look, are going to hold. Nothing else, it can't be weaker. So we'll hope that's true. All right, more later.